One of the first things I wanted to talk about with the surface finish is why someone specifies surface finish. So there's a few different reasons that people would want to specify surface finish, designer engineers, on their drawings and parts. One of the first things that they might want to take into consideration is friction. So one of the things, if they're putting a handle or you're designing a part that doesn't need any friction, both of those are going to relate. So if you need high friction fit so that that handle stays on, you're going to specify a high RMS finish. If you need a very smooth, minimal amount of friction fit, you're going to go for a very low RMS type of finish. One of the other considerations that people take into effect is corrosion resistance. Now, stainless steel, a lot of people think stainless steel doesn't rust or doesn't have corrosion. It does. It's stainless. It's not stain proof. So in order to improve and enhance the natural corrosion resistance of the stainless steel, a lot of times they'll specify very smooth, electropolished type finishes. That way, it's less areas for that contaminations or rust or water or whatever's coming in contact with the metal to develop. One of the other considerations that people take into effect is like a dull or a matte finish, that they might have an application where reflectivity of light or some other surface is something that they don't want to have happen with this device. So in those cases, they're going to try to spec out a very matte or a dull type of finish. And one of the last things is appearance, that they just might want their device to look good. A lot of times the medical devices or other instruments that we produce are going to be visible to the end user. That designer, that engineer, they want to make sure that their part looks good. So they'll call out, again, a certain type of surface finish so that their product will look as presentable and good as they would like it to.